Hello and welcome to my video where this time I will be doing a task where we have to do user inputs in Python. So let's have a look at today's task, shall we? So we need to create a replit called sums. So when you're doing this, you would need to actually make a new replit called sums. And then you would need to enter and test this following code below. So we're just going to literally copy and we're going to paste, or what you can do is just type it up. You'll just have to type it up yourself if you don't have this worksheet. Really sorry, but think of the bright side. You will learn, basically, you'll be able to recap variables and you'll be able to recap and practice your skills using print statements. Without further ado, let's see what we need to do. We need to test the code first to see if it works correctly. So we just click the run. Test the code, works like a charm. What do we do next, you ask? I will tell you. So we need to modify it for an initial value for variable a, because at the moment a equals 4. So that's it, a equals 4. And if you go into 2, you go into b equals 2 times a, which is 4, so it's 2 times 4. And then let's say we were, and so on. Or let's say we were going to do e, for instance. So we know b is 8, a is 4, so 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 8 is 20. And we're going to times by e, which is b, which is 8. So we're timesing all of these. So we're timesing 20 by 8. Hence why we're getting 224. But anyway, we need to do an input. So let's get rid of the 4. And this is how we do an input. So we can do inputs for different data types. We can just do inputs if we just want to type anything. For strings, it would be str. For floats, which is decimals, it would be float. But in this case, we just want to do int, because it's a whole number. So we just type int, brackets, which is shift and 9. All you need to do is just to shift and a 9 because it creates 2 brackets for you. So you don't actually need to make a second bracket. Anyway, we would then put input in those brackets. Then we do shift and 9, bingo, make another set of brackets. Then we would do shift and 2. So we can ask the user to enter a number. Now let's run it and see what happens. I'm going to enter a number, I'm going to enter 4. Same results, because I just put 4. But I'm going to try a 5, see what happens. Bingo. Because you got 2 times 5, a is 5, we got 2, so 2 times 5, b is going to be 10. And let's see what more we got to do there. That is literally it for this program. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and share my video, because I will be coming to you with more videos on how to do different tasks in Python. See you soon. Bye.